All set for work. Nothing can stop me today. No problem. I left them right here. Okay, fine. Wallet then. Got it. Nice style, Bob. Is this fashion week or a garage sale? At least I have my work bag. Where's my phone? Okay. Ready to go. Bob, forgetfulness costs you time, energy, and sometimes your dignity. So, what do I do? Wow, this actually works. Wait, what was I supposed to do now? Even with a checklist, old habits can sneak back in. But don't worry, there's a solution. Building a new routine takes time and consistency. Visual cues help reinforce those good habits. Soon enough, you'll be a master of preparedness just like Tom. So, what's your strategy for beating forgetfulness? Share your tips in the comments below. But what about those bigger, less frequent tasks, like remembering to pay bills or schedule appointments? Tom introduces a simple digital reminder, a memory alarm for life's important moments. Bob sets a reminder, and a happy bubble appears. Never forget again. With a combination of physical cues and digital tools, Bob is becoming a true master of memory. Bob even starts helping others with their forgetfulness, sharing his newfound wisdom with friends and colleagues. His journey from chaotic mornings to calm preparedness inspires everyone around him. Remember, mastering your memory is a journey, not a destination. It's about building habits, one small step at a time. What's one habit you're trying to build? Share your journey and let's support each other.